Hello friends, today I'm going to discuss another important cue card for your IELTS speaking, and the topic is talk about any equipment which broke down or any mechanical problem that you got repaired, right? So it could be anything that got damaged, then you have to get it repaired, okay? And the questions are, what was it, what the item was, what was the problem, how you got it repaired, and explain how did you feel, right? So whenever we start, we always start with the introduction. So here is the introduction. Science and technology are advancing by leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds means rapidly, quite fast. It has made people's lives a bed of roses. A bed of roses means very comfortable. So leaps and bounds and bed of roses. These both are idioms and very good expressions of English language. In the contemporary era means these days or nowadays, the lives of human beings revolve around the technological gadgets all the time. Because if you see all around you, you will find that you are surrounded with all the technology around you, right? So all the time, like mobile phones, laptops, vacuum cleaner and many more. Here I would like to talk about my mobile phone of Apple company. So now I need to talk about some equipment. Okay, the first question, what was it? That was my mobile phone. Right. Now I need to explain something more about the phone. So mobile phone, that was of gold color, 128 GB storage memory, and its model was iPhone X. Okay, and that too again very difficult for me because it was the most expensive phone that I ever had. Second, what was the problem? So the problem was actually I used to play a lot of game on it. Okay, and when I was playing one day, unfortunately it slipped from my hands, and what happened as a result? It fell onto the floor and its screen broke down badly. Now it was looking very like unusual to have this kind of phone that is quite expensive, but at the same time its screen was broken down, right? So next is what I did after that. I went to Apple Care and I was very tensed and afraid also. Definitely my parents would be scolding me now. So I was very tensed, and because another thing is iPhone display is also very expensive, or it used to dig a hole in people's pocket. Already I have spent a huge amount of money to purchase, so now I left with no money to get it replaced. But actually what happened is I felt myself lucky, or I had a good luck on that day with me, because my phone was under insurance. Under insurance means now the insurance company itself will pay for the screen, okay, and make sure the screen is not covered under warranty. So you shouldn't write it was under warranty, it was under insurance, right? Obviously I was panic, I was quite scared actually. So the staff members, they made me relaxed and they repaired my phone within 10 days. Though for the 10 days I was phoneless, or I didn't have any phone at that time, but thank God I received my phone after 10 days. And the best part is I didn't give even a single penny to get it fixed, right? So how did you feel? Obviously I was over the moon, I was very happy, I was relaxed also at the same time. So if you say how did you feel, it was over the moon, ecstatic, on seventh heaven, on cloud 9. There are various words that you should use only instead of only saying very happy, right? So I was ecstatic and relaxed at the same time because my phone was successfully repaired. Okay, so that was the topic, any equipment that broke down but you got it repaired, you got it fixed. So that was mobile phone. If you want, you can choose to speak about any other equipment, but it is easy to speak about your mobile phone, right? So I hope that's clear to you, right? Okay, so keep learning with us. All the best.